50 sentences using the word behind.
The car is parked behind the house.
She hid behind the tree.
I found my keys behind the couch.
Don't look behind you.
The truth often lies behind the rumors.
He left his backpack behind.
There's a surprise waiting behind that door.
I always feel like someone's watching me from behind.
The sun rose behind the mountains.
The mystery is concealed behind that locked door.
I saw a shadow moving behind the curtain.
She left her past behind and started anew.
The reason for his absence is behind his illness.
He always sits behind me in class.
The treasure is buried somewhere behind the old barn.
He left his footprints behind in the sand.
The solution to the problem is hidden behind these equations.
The thief slipped away into the night behind the alley.
She left a trail of breadcrumbs behind her.
I left my umbrella behind at the restaurant.
The answer to the riddle is right behind your eyes.
He's the driving force behind this project.
The story unfolds the secrets behind the legend.
They walked hand in hand, leaving footprints behind.
The investigation revealed the truth behind the crime.
The moon rose behind the skyscrapers. She always stands behind her decisions.
The history of the city is hidden behind these old walls.
The rabbit darted into the bushes and disappeared behind.
He found solace in the mountains, leaving his troubles behind.
The reason behind his smile is a beautiful memory.
They left their worries behind for a day of adventure.
The path less traveled is often hiding beauty behind.
She left her mark behind on the world.
The masterpiece was created by an artist who remains behind the scenes.
The secret code is hidden behind this locked box.
The train chugged away, leaving a cloud of steam behind.
The truth is lurking just behind the facade.
He lost his way in the forest and left breadcrumbs behind.
The moonlight cast eerie shadows behind the trees.
The legacy he left behind is remembered by many.
The trail leads deep into the forest, leaving civilization behind.
They left a trail of laughter behind them.
The map shows a hidden treasure behind the waterfall.
The old mansion holds stories of the past behind its walls.
He always stands behind his principles.
The explanation lies hidden behind the data.
They walked away, leaving their footprints behind in the sand.
The reason behind his success is hard work and dedication.
As she walked away, she left a trail of stardust behind her.